Hello, hello, welcome back to High Times with Jackie and Stacy. I'm Jackie and I'm Stacy. Hello, welcome back. Today we work today. We work all day, and it is exactly very stressful. Yeah. It is very nice. And we just made our transportation from my house to this house. Yes, all the way to the United Kingdom. All the way from the United Kingdom. All the way to the US. Yes. Where they have Dunkin' Donuts. Stacy are in the US. So if you want to give us a call, let us know. Comment on this video. We'll write down your number. We'll write down your number. If you're from the United Kingdom, if you're from the United Kingdom, tell us. We'll write down your number. I think the cookie is burning. Wait, we have to have an activity for today. Today we will be talking about good and bad movies. The Grinch. It's a very good movie. It's very popular in the United Kingdom. Very popular. Very popular. A bad movie. Bad would be a very not favorite is Shrek 3. That's not a very good you could one. See it's the only good one was the first one. Only the first one. I don't the other one. What is that? They just made so many after. Another good movie. Another good movie would be Austin Powers. I never was a fan of that. No. Austin Powers is a good movie. Very bad movie would be Alice Upside Down. What the fuck is that? Exactly. No one knows of it. What is this? This girl tries to come and watch a movie and it's just a terrible movie. It's just about nothing at all. Just disgusting. We went to church earlier and this is what we got from the church. You went to church? Yeah. I saw Harriet in my room. We have a candle. Okay, well, I think the cookies are ready. Ding